This Sunday, the School District of Lee County and Lee Schools TV proudly present the 2022 Sounds of the Season, featuring student performances from the Alva School, Bonita Springs High School, Diplomat Elementary, Edison Park Creative and Expressive Arts School, Gateway Elementary, Harns Marsh Elementary, Harns Marsh Middle, Heights Elementary, North Fort Myers Academy for the Arts, North Fort Myers High School, Orange River Elementary, Patriot Elementary, the Sanibel School, Tice Elementary, and Tropic Isles Elementary. Sounds of the Season premieres this Sunday, December 18th at 5 p.m. on the School District of Lee County YouTube channel, Facebook page, and Comcast Channel 99.